Hello guys, this is Lily.
Hello, I'm Cake. สวัสดีครับ
So today we are at the beautiful longtime village in Pingnan, Fujian. So Cake, check out the villagers on the street. Do you notice anything different about them?
Not really. It's like they seem to be like living peaceful and live a happy life here.
Well, what if I tell you this village is home to both new villagers and old villagers, and they work together to transform this village to what it looks like today.
Oh, really? So how do they divide up the work?
Well, actually, let's go ask them.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. So, Cake, what do you think about this place?
It's pretty antique charm. Yeah, and a good vibes and beautiful renovation. Who won this?
Well, actually, there's quite a story behind it. Let me tell you about it.
In the past, many old houses in Pingnan villages were empty. Later, the village committee rented these houses from old villagers and then offered them at low prices to new villagers, designers, artists, baristas, and others from all over China. The new villagers pay for the renovations, art teams helped design for free, and the village committee found local workers to fix the houses. Now, for example, Longtime Village gets about 300,000 visitors every year, and local people earn much more money.
我们来自江西吉安，
江西
对，
江西那你们为什么来这里呢？
我是2019年来的，然后当时来这的时候，就是整个村庄它的这种文化氛围特别好，艺术气息，然后就是有特别多的新村民已经驻村在这儿。
您和那个新村民相处的怎么样呢？
我觉得
了解一下。
我觉得很融洽
啊。
因为我们就好像是一家人一样，在这个大家庭里面，然后一起生活，并且现在我们有更好的条件，可以在这一个地方一起创业啊，我觉得幸福感很强。
So, Cake, what do you say? Would you like to become a new villager here?
Yeah, of course. Actually, in Thailand, they also have many beautiful villages like this, but some of them like losing young generation. It's mean like the young people, like after they finish the college, they doesn't come back to the village. So it's gonna be like slowly falling silent. So I think we can learn from this model.
Yes, I think what we can learn from Longtime Village is that reviving a village isn't just about fixing houses. It's more about building connection, cooperation, and dreams.
Yeah.